This has replaced a plastic tub. It used to be in plastic, it's now in carbon board with a...
And they replaced the tub then?
So they tell us.
Okay.
Yeah, I know this original pack and I don't know this original pack, so it's for me very difficult to compare.
This is just a real tin box.
Yeah, so that
100% tin
big
box.
volume as well.
Yeah.
They've replaced the double-sided PET foil lamination with one inside coloured PE. You can see from the old version and the new version that there is a significant reduction in board usage. Multiply that by the number of these, which you may know, Pascal, but it must be
80 million.
yes.
Very functional. That looks nice. I always found it a pity that we don't have the old pack then to compare.
Yes.
Yep.
But it's in, right?
Yeah.